today I want to talk to you about bitter to better. How do we take a bitter tasting combination of herbs that can be very good for you, healthy, and do the great things that you want them to do and make them more palatable? My name is Dean Jablon. Thank you for joining me today. I want to take a few minutes to share with you how we could take a very good functional blend that consists of mate, ginkgo, gotu kola, and moringa. We're going to take this combination of ingredients and we're going to add 3 additions to really make the taste more palatable, because by themselves it's not going to taste too good. With these additional items, it's going to make it much more palatable, and it's going to be fun to put it together. Today I've selected 3 that I think will be a great complement to these herbs in this blend. Generally, we don't like to use more than 4 to 7 different ingredients in the blend. I'm going to create another video about why. As a quick point, having more ingredients in the blend makes it more difficult to source. You're susceptible to different pricing issues in those various blends, and scalability can be a challenge if you run into supply chain issues on some of these blends. So we're going to stick with about 7 different ingredients in the blend. The first item that we have is Cacao Pieces, which is chocolate, unsweetened. It is non-processed chocolate. You'll find that it is not only very healthy, but it's pleasant to taste when blended and steeped in hot water. The next item is cinnamon pieces. Cinnamon, as we all know, is used as a great flavoring additive. When added to tea, even in small amounts, you'll taste this profile come through, and it will more than likely be a prominent flavor. So you want to be careful not to use too much. The third item are honey granules. Honey granules also have great health benefits, very high in antioxidants, and will add a very nice flavor profile to your blend. So here we have approximately 70 grams of product that's already been completed. We want to have our blend to 100 grams. So I'm going to add 10 grams of each of these items. We're going to add 10 grams of our cinnamon, and then our cacao pieces, and there is 30 grams. So with this, we're then going to blend this up. We're using a very small process for this, unlike our traditional blending system where we would have a machine do this. We're going to do it by hand. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward and simple to blend this. Just mix it all up together. And now we have a combination of cacao pieces with cinnamon pieces and honey into our blend of mate, ginkgo, gotu kola, and moringa leaf. And you'll find that once this is blended together, take a teaspoon of this, put it in your teapot, fill it with hot water. Because these are herbs, it's always best to bring the water to a boil. You'll want to use the best water you can, which is true of any tea that you drink. Let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.